Okay, so now we're going to have a little bit of fun with modifying our text due to the time. So I've got this example here, and what I've said is this here is the name of the hook, okay, and this area of the page will print, and I'm going to use this name download to modify this later on. So it says downloading, it will print out to the page, so please wait, and then I use this macro, so after 1 second it will put 25%, after 2 seconds 50%, after 3 seconds 99%, and it will always have underneath it cancel download. After 4 seconds I'm going to replace download, so that means all of that with downloaded and run file, which will then lead to our inevitable death. So now when I play this, what you'll see is it indeed says downloading, please wait, 25%, 50%, 99%, and I couldn't cancel the download in time, so now my only option left over is to run the file, which does lead to death. If I clicked on the cancel download, it would tell me well done, and I can return to my emails, and I've got my point. So quite a nice little feature. We can also make this more interesting by instead of doing it like this, I can put another name tag in, and I can call this progress, like so, and that is going to be please wait, and then I'm going to put these down here, and I'm going to say after 1 second I am going to replace progress with 25%. And then I can do exactly the same thing for the 50%. I'm just going to do that and do that. And hopefully, if I've done that all right, instead of the progress printing one line after the other, it will just be modified. So what it will print initially will be download and progress inside it, and then it will replace progress at 25%, 50%, 99%, and then it will replace the whole lot with downloaded. Let's see. Oops, I've done something wrong, so let's just have a look. Yes, so this shouldn't be in round brackets, it should be in square brackets. There we are. Always making mistakes, but I just have to work out how to fix them. Okay. There we are. And that works perfectly. So you can see you can make it quite interactive and good fun.